Hello everyone, today we will take you through the entire process of witnessing the precise fabrication in the factory and the smooth on-site installation of a 36米乘以21.1米乘以6.31米 steel structure warehouse customized for serving plant. The camera first pans to our production workshop, where every steel column and beam is processed in strict accordance with the design drawings tailored to the climatic characteristics of Serbia. The hot dip galvanizing process is adopted, effectively resists moisture and corrosion, ensuring the long-term durability of the warehouse with estimate of 36 meters, a width of 21.1 meters, and an eave height of 6.3 meters. Every dimension is precisely cut welded and inspected. The positioning error of the bolt is controlled to the millimeter level, ensuring seamless connection during on-site installation. After all components are fabricated, they undergo rigorous quality inspection, are numbered packaged, neatly loaded onto trucks, and shipped to the project site. In Serbia, after a long journey, the components arrive safely